Before we launch, we need images that actually sell the product. Watch how fast we can generate them with AI. First, click the Exit button at the top left of the theme editor to go back to the Shopify dashboard. Then click on Atlas AI Store Builder, and from there, click on AI Product Photos. Then click Start Creating Now. You'll be taken through a short tutorial. I recommend reading through everything because this will help you to really understand how to generate the best quality images possible. If you prefer not to read, there's also a video version of the tutorial you can watch at the end. When you're done, click Train Your AI Model. First, you'll need to name your model. I recommend tying the name of your model to the name of your product. So in our case, I'll name this Brown Retro Leather Bag. Next, you'll need to select a product. Click the button, and then pick your product from the list. It will pull in photos from your existing Shopify listing, and you'll need to select at least 4 images that feature just the product. So in my case, I can't use this photo with the model, and we should avoid using this photo with a different color because that will confuse the AI generator. We want to focus on one product variation at a time. If you don't have enough high-quality training images, like in our case here, you can always upload more images. One trick I like is to go back to the original AliExpress listing and then look at reviews that have uploads of the product. You can save these images and then upload them to the AI image generator. When you download the images to your computer from AliExpress, they'll be in AVIF format, so you'll need to convert them to a JPEG or PNG before the Atlas AI image generator will allow you to upload them. I recommend using cloudconvert.com for this because it's free and fast. Simply upload the image and then select your desired output format. Next, I recommend cropping these images so that the only thing visible is the product and no extra background. You can do this for free on imageresizer.com. Back on the AI image generator, let's upload our new image. Finally, you'll need to select the training speed for your AI image generator. The longer the training takes, the higher quality the output will be. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the image quality with different training lengths. Here's the 30-minute model, and it's pretty good, except that it's not quite the right dimensions and there's this weird seam in the middle. Here's the 1.5-hour trained AI, and again, pretty good, but not quite the right dimensions. And then here's the 3+ hour trained AI. This is by far the most accurate recreation of the original image, and I think the lighting looks a lot more professional, giving us an edge with our product photos as compared to the original AliExpress photos. Select your desired training speed and then click Start Training Your Model. Then click Start Training Model again to approve the credit charge. You'll be taken to this page which shows the training status for your AI model as started. I've just jumped forward in time a little bit, so I'll go ahead and click the refresh button, and you can see that the training status now says succeeded, and there's a new button under the actions column. Go ahead and click the button to use the AI model. Next, we need to write a prompt to create some images. You can click the Use AI Generated Prompt button to allow Atlas to write a really detailed prompt for you. So we'll go ahead and use their AI prompt suggestion. Atlas will then process for a few moments, and then it will present a prompt which describes the product in detail. Feel free to add or remove details from the prompt to dial in exactly how you want the images to look. For example, I want to generate an overhead shot looking down at the bag on a wooden background. We can also specify the lighting type. When you're happy with the prompt, click Generate Now to create your images. You'll be prompted to approve the credit charge, in this case just 4 credits. Go ahead and click Generate Now. And then if you scroll down, you can see that your images are generating. When it's done, it will present you with 4 different image options. You can click on the eye to see the image in full scale. Personally, I think this third image is the truest to how the product actually looks, so I'll go ahead and click the checkbox, and then we'll scroll down and click Save Selected Images. If you want to keep generating images, you can click the Generate Now button again, or modify your prompt to create more. To see your saved images, scroll to the top and then click the Saved Images tab. From here, you can check the box next to any photo that you want to download, and then click Download Selected Images. Finally, to add these generated images to your product, click on the Products tab in the left side navbar, and then click on your product. Scroll down to the Photos section, then click the big plus, and click Add Media to upload your image. To see all of your photos, click the plus followed by a number, and then click and drag to reorganize your product photos. When you're done making changes, click the Save button at the top of the page.